Child, I'm trying to unbig my back before my birthday, which is in 26 days. So let's go ahead and make these keto pancakes all the way from scratch. Now, I use my mini pancake maker from Walmart, but you can use anything. So we're going to use 1 cup of flour, half a tablespoon of baking powder. Shit, I done fucked up. Little bit of salt, 2 teaspoons of sweetener. Then I bust them eggs open. I use 1/4 cup of almond milk. I really should have used half a cup. A teaspoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of oil. Go ahead and mix that up. Here I am just showing you guys the syrups that have very low carbs. Shit, I can't even talk today. You can put that in your mix. I didn't until my second one. And then I poured it. Clearly, I poured it thick as hell. And the thing wasn't done. I was being thirsty, waiting for it to come out. Here's some low-carb yogurt. I put that in about 4 blackberries. Now it's done. Look at that. It's looking cute, like some cornbread, okay? It's thick as hell, like a Mondo burger. I cut it up because it's my son's plate. And, yeah. Oh, this juice is bomb, y'all. They got different flavors. It's $2.58 at Walmart. It's really good. Sometimes I mix it with sparkling water or just plain water. And this is 0 net carb, sugar-free syrup. I got that from Walmart as well. What did you say?
More.
You want more?
Yeah.
Okay. He is so funny. Was it good?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I have more.